Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna try to pick this beauty open and gut it afterwards for the green belt. It's an Abus 7240. Yeah, I have 4 of those and this is by far the nastiest one. But because of the green belt, I want to use the green lock. Of course it's working. It has a kind of I would say a normal bitting, but everything is very deep or low cut. But yeah, let's see. I'm gonna do it with my Southard Slimline, is it called? Or it's from the Slimline, and I'm tensioning with a TOC multipick SB35 in 0.8 millimeters thickness. Let's start. This one is a lock where the first pin always come back, and yeah, it has also a sort of dead core, because I have to loosen all tension and then I can get it set, otherwise I don't get anything. So 3 might be springy or counter rotation maybe. Yeah, I think there was a counter rotation. I set it. I have to cycle through the pins because of this binding order here. Yeah, that makes me a bit crazy, but okay. Every pin feels set. Except yeah, I think it's pin 5. And now pin 1 came back. There I have fault set. And I think I have to start over. Pin 1 still, I'm a little bit uncomfortable. That's not a comfortable pick for me, because the position I have to film and to cut it or to pick it. Yeah. It's like a dead core somehow. Now this it was pin 3. Now pin 4. It's like a jiggle on the 4th pin. I think pin 1 came in. Yeah, I'm in the full set again. Okay, got a little bit further. Okay, pin 2 set it. Normally pin 2 opens the lock, but now maybe pin 4 is the one that opened it. That's a bit strange, because they seem to be really far to each other because of the tolerances. 1 is set, 2 is set, 3, 3 is set, 4 is set, as I said, it's a second, yeah, the second one again, and I got it open. Man, that is a tough lock. I have no idea why this is so hard to pick, actually. Okay, yeah, let's cut it. Okay, it's always in the window of my video, I guess. Won't take it out. Okay. Actually, I got the spinning mat today, and I think it's really awesome. I hope I didn't lose the window of my screen. Okay. Here we have a little screw. I already prepared a shimming plate or shim because I had already failed such cutting and I don't want to do it again. Yeah, I have to sort my stuff here a bit. Okay, now let's get rid of this spring. Yeah, you might be asking what this is a plier for opening those circlips, because I'm lucky I got it ABUS, what is this, assembly kit, and in this I got a original ABUS plier. Yeah, again a small part, and here we are. So I'm going to turn it a bit to the left. I don't need it actually. I need this one and this one, because as I already said, I failed one attempt and that wasn't nice. Won't go in, but why? I think I will turn the key in the other direction, because this edge should be on the bottom, because otherwise I tend to risk that the spring gets cut off by the follower. Yeah. Now I have to get those pins again. Set it. Yeah. Like that. This is a better direction for it. Okay, it's loose now. And here in here it's really hot. Maybe because also it's because my first cutting video. Yeah, this shimming won't go in because of some I'm too stupid to put it in, actually. Did I do something wrong? I can't put it in. for some reason. Yeah, well, what to do if the shim won't go in? I can put it through and maybe then jiggle it out to the middle, but that doesn't feel right. I hope it's okay. Yeah, now I'm gonna put it through. Man, I have wet hands. So here we are. Got it. Whew. What a odd situation here. Okay. I'm going to drop pin 1. If it wants to go out, here we have it. Pin 2. Always touch my stuff here. It's already out. This is pin 3. Man, is this a small pin? I have to get my hands under the camera. 3. This should be 4. There. Sorry that I'm doing it that slow, but yeah. Maybe I'm a little bit nervous. Don't want to fail it again. Man, these are really small pins. That's by far the smallest I ever saw or ever seen. Until now, everything is a standard. This one just won't come out. The 6th one. There it is. Oh, it's a longer one. Oh man. It won't stay in place. Actually, I have to learn how to use this mat. Okay, now we got it. Here's the place for the core. And now we are going to get to this one. I'm going to get the shim out like that. Yeah. And now I'm trying to get pin by pin. I hope you see something. And it's gone. Okay, this one is pin 1. It's looking like a standard actually. I didn't thought it's a standard. I think you can't see, but I will show it on the board later. I have to get my okay. So I don't like those springs because I Maybe I'm a bit too rough to them or to those. I can't get it out. Yeah, let's see later. There we go. Second is a spool. Third one is a spool. Fourth is a spool. And where is it? Fifth, also a spool. And we got all 6 out. I'd stay those springs in place because actually every spring is the same. Yeah, you see it here. Yeah, that's gutted Abyss 7240. It's actually a really nice lock. Okay, let's get it back together. Okay, I know, I just wanted to show maybe do one spring just for presentation, because they don't want to come out somehow. Maybe this what is the name of this, plier or something, isn't pointy enough. Yeah, this one is better. Here we go. Okay, so where I put this? There. Okay, now I have wet hands and a 70 minutes long video already. Okay, here we go. So these are the springs inside of here. Oh no, the springs not. This is yeah, I see I have problems to make it sharp, maybe like that. Yeah. Okay, so one is standard, 2 to 6 are spools. Actually, this is a normal yeah, what's the name of it? Normal layout for the pinning. Here's the core, nothing special. I think I'm going to get this key again. Yeah. Actually, I think those are really small, but okay. I have to search it there. Yeah. So nothing special about this one. Yeah. So we got it. I hope so. Okay, let's get this camera back in. Actually, everything is a little bit improvised here. Hope it doesn't fall down. But I think this is just fine. Okay, I don't think it's just fine. I have to make it better. Okay, I have to do it next time in a different way, maybe. Okay, now we are ready again, and we build it together again. Well, this is the assembly of it. Okay, let's get the spring back in here. Yeah, okay, I got it. So yeah, that's a bit tricky, I guess, if I let the springs in, but maybe I can do it with those springs in. But I have the thought that this will go wrong, because normally I have no springs inside and I can get them back after the other and don't have the risk to fuck it up. Yeah, okay. So here we go. Taking the spool, its head, going by far by the back, pushing it down. Maybe I should do it from the other side, or at least I should watch it from the other side. Maybe I really should get those out. Because the first one always seemed to be the trickiest. Or the last one, actually. And because of that, I think I should do it a little bit different. I actually have no idea how to do it with one hand. If this doesn't fixed. I'm doing something wrong. Okay, I think I have to get this follow in position. Get this spool in position. I can't see anything, that's the problem here. Okay, I have to do it a little bit different then. Oh man. Oh, I almost lost it. I almost lost it. That was good. Wasn't good. And yeah. Yeah, that's a bit stupid. Here, I have no lights. I think I will go. Okay, I have problems. I will put those springs out because I risk to damage them if I don't go part after part. And yeah, I won't damage my lock with this technique, so I'm going to do it one by one. Actually, I think there's no other way to do it, or there might be a different way, but yeah. Now I can get this one, put it back here. I think I can do a trick here. Use this and then push it through that I have already one fitted spring, maybe two, and then I go to the other side. Then I have already my follower in place. That might be a good idea. I don't know why I have problems with this, because the previous ones work well. But somehow I'm too stupid today. Okay, so now it gets tricky. Let's get the spring. It's magnetic. Get the spring inside here. Let's take the 5th pin. Put it in. Put it down. Okay, not possible. Put it in. Put it down. And here we go. First in. I hope it was in the window of my camera. But yeah. Okay, now the 6th one. I have to hold it really at the top. Otherwise I'm not able to push it deep enough. Like that. And then hold it in place with the follower. So, yeah, here we go. Now I can switch the orientation of it. Go back to the other 4. Like that. Maybe I should have done 2 or 3. No, 3 instead of 2. But that might work. Oh man, why are those magnetic? Yeah. So. Lesson learned, light is important. And doing it late at night is also a little bit stupid. Don't know whether this technique is the correct one, but I think I saw it doing guys like Bossian Bill or Lockpicking Lawyer doing it like this. But man, why are those magnetic? It's like a static field here. What scrambles me up? Okay. Let's go. That isn't okay. Yeah, those springs are really small parts. And here in Germany, it's really a problem to get replacement for those springs. Yeah, and so I don't want to damage them, because I saw in the USA you can get replacement for those at like CLK, but here it's not possible for a normal person if you are not a professional. Okay, let's do the last. Spring is in, and this is the standard. Standards is always better for the grip, and didn't got it, but now, and here we go. Whew. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, so pin position 1 to 5 loaded, or 6. Maybe messing up a bit. I also think I'm doing the wrong stuff here, but that should be alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is so small, it barely is possible to line it up. It's like a ball, it wants to turn itself. Okay, now all 6 are ready and in position. So my hands are like a waterfall maybe. Okay, let's get the shim all again. So I don't want to risk anything here. But normally it should be fine because there is nothing what can jump up. Or this gap here maybe. It should really go in with this thing. But yeah, I have really problems to put it in. I will cover just the core and will get it in while I push, but it's not far enough. Man, this shim is too long. Okay, let's do it. Is there so much play? Can't get the shim in. I think I have to use a little bit force to get it in. And now I get why there are like 100 in this package. Okay, is this enough? This might be enough. I have the idea that I'm doing something wrong with this shim, but I really have no idea what, because it just won't go through, because I think the pins are up a bit, and yeah, I will damage my shim somehow. I really have no idea how to get the shim in. This isn't working anymore. Oh, I hope I fuck it up. So because once no, it won't work with this. I have to push it fast through. Maybe I can learn a lot more. And yeah, so let's do it. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this shim is really a problem, I guess. But everything else is working fine, I guess. I hope so, at least. So here we go. It's working. That means the key is right. That is a good part. Oh man, 34 minutes cutting. I can't see anything. There it is. Pushing the clip back on to this notch. where it belongs. I think I'm on there, but I'm not quite sure. I might have to turn it a little bit. There you go. Okay. Okay, it's already, it's in. Oh man. Now log back in. Did I do something wrong? Like that. Here we go. It's turnable. Pushing the screw in. Yeah, and now we have it back together. Everything is working as expected. I can turn the core. That means normally everything should be fine. Yeah, nice. Okay, this was my ABUS 7240. By far my trickiest to open, actually. But it has also part like a dead core, which makes me a bit curious. Yeah, I broke my shim, I guess, but I have some other. This one has also this sort of dead core, but it's quite easier, even if the bitting is, yeah, looks a bit more strange. And I put it in the picture. Looks cool. Yeah. This one is by far the easiest. I have no idea why, but I wanted to do it with the green one because of the green belt. And yeah, this one is a purple one. This is good information, I guess. It looks from the bitting, looks this, for my understanding, this low card, high card should be hard to get, but this one is by far, so this is the ranking. The easiest, this one comes next, then this one also has the feeling of a dead core, and this one by far is the trickiest because of this, from the binding order, pin 1 always falls down, and the tolerances are so tight that you have to do it again and again and again. I hope this was okay, and yeah, I think I have to take a shower. See you around, and have a great day, night, whatever. See ya.